Elders Corner.
My people, una welcome to Elders Corner TV. Now me, Elder 101, they bring una the story for today. Before we go into the news, make I tell una the head lamp. About your money where it thief, where they don't recover. We dey thank federal government well for how they can't go to Switzerland, go bring money where Abacha thief. How they take back Switzerland government, now Switzerland government can't give them $322 million where Abacha been thief, go keep for there. Federal government, we say thank you. But we know they okay with the way when I say I want share the money. Federal government can talk say to share this money, they go inside village, go share the money cash to the poorest of the poor. Now so they talk the English. Waiting they mean we say now people where get PhD for poverty, now they won't give the money. I better bring this idea. How money were about for the whole country? It give this money for everybody. Now on I won't go share them for the poorest of the poor. Where the house they? Where do they stay? Oh, we don't suspect now. We don't even hear now say since when they talk that thing now. Some politicians don't they relocate from Abuja, they go village, but they go thief the money, come back to Abuja. On a national life, we they talk for Elders Corner here say any politician will go village because of that go they claim say poverty go follow you till you die. We they beg now say this money, wanna go invest now for infrastructure like road. Make people they see where they will carry their food stuff, carry go market, light. Some of all these villagers when actually say they don't get money, they sabi so cloth. Some of them they barb hair, hairdressers they inside, but they don't get light. Wanna give them light. I will be say, una want give people fish instead of una to teach them how they fish. Now only for Nigeria this kind of thing they happen. If in a better country, they could just invest this in for railway, so that all those big motor where they carry big load, they no go dey road again. Now for trade they go dey put am. Accident no go dey road again. Motor no go dey burn for road again. Nigeria, with the advice una, make una go invest that money. Una know as animal be for Nigeria. Once they don't hear say money don't enter, all of them the ginger. Who want hammer? Last time snake go swallow money. Before we recover, elephant, goat, he swallow money travel. We don't know the animal where they hide the money now. We don't wake up tomorrow. We say the money they no see am again because war gecko does swallow CBN. We no go like hear that kind of thing at all. We no go invest that money for infrastructure. Our people now Elders Corner news be this. Make I tell you one thing. It no dey easy, but it's very easy to be stupid. If you want to be stupid, just know the truth, see the truth, but believe in lie. Now you say you stupid. Make una know stupid this week. Subscribe to this channel for more news to come. Now Elder 101 be this.
Elders Corner. Elders Corner.
Our people, on a good evening. This na Elders Corner TV news. Now me, Elder 101, won't bring una the news. Before we go into the news, make I give una the headlamp first. Types of madness. Now, make we go into the news in full. Elders Corner Health Department don't come out with 3 basic types of madness. Make people, where they watch us, make they hear them. The first one are primary madness. This madness, it they disturb all those young boys when they never marry. Sometimes they go out, go drink. They can't drink to stupor. That's gonna just speak grammar now. Stupor means say they go for drink. If they manage reach house, they fall up and down. Sometimes they go still smoke, go join the thing. Their head go turn upside down. When they don't reach house, they go chop. When they don't chop finish, when it is time, when they will go sleep for inside house, they go lock the main house, come outside, lie down for veranda. For their mind, veranda na bedroom. While the main house where they lock na outside. Their brain reverse. That one na primary madness. Secondary madness, if they disturb those people where they see for inside market, for their own, they no get house again. Now market be the house now. They dey inside market, they pick, they tea, they chop. Some of all those people, they don't do anything. Evil people don't throw away madness, give them. Why some other ones, they thief. And they thief people things, they cause them with madness. Some people where they thief for inside church too, that kind of madness, if they follow them. All those where they thief phone and Bible for inside church, those madness, if they follow some of them. Now it be secondary madness. Sometimes primary madness, they graduate, enter secondary. But the strongest one where they, now tertiary madness. This tertiary madness, it affect married men only. A married man, where just they own, only in, carry himself by himself. Follow woman, go village, say he won't marry. He go, pay bride price, dance, spray the woman, they finish all the party, come back home. Small mistake where the woman go make, he go just tell her, say, make you knee down, hands up, make you face war. He go begin to flog him. They beat the woman like saying a small pikin. This thing, where would they talk? It not okay. We don't observe now. It's now madness. Any man where they do this kind of thing, he get madness. He need to cure the madness. Because some of you, or just they form Mike Tyson, they form Anthony Joshua for where your wife did. They throw a punch up and down like saying a punching bag. Now, that your wife where you marry, where your lip they shine, you don't tear the lip. He eye where they say see that here. Now, it the red. All the body now mark. Just because you know when your eyes here, see him, make any mistake. Some of you now go even strangle your wife for bed. Can't drop bottle of water pepper for ground. You can't disappear. 1 hour later, you can't come back and say, hey, my wife don't die you. He drink water pepper. Shut up. We know so you strangle her for bed. You just say, we know. Come. If you don't like your wife again, I beg, return her my life. Can't go give people where give you. No return I'm dead. Now person picking be that. If not your sister, you no go like whether they beat her like that, like saying a bag of sand. For others come here with a vessel, for any man where they beat your wife, wanna change all those kind of attitude. It no good at all. I'm the women. Some of now, before my husband go say, check, I got full everywhere. I beg, would they recommend someone buy 2 cartons of chewing gum, keep for house. So that if your mouth won't talk too much, take 50, pack for your mouth. Space no good day for you to make noise. And some of all these girls, where they pray for husband, they pray, God, give me husband by fire, give me husband by fire, give me husband. Now then they get this kind of husband. Mona pray, may God give you a decent man. Mona change in a prayer point. So that I no go get madman as husband. Mona no vessel. Now Eda's Corner TV, now be this. Now me, Eda 101, now they talk this news. I beg, may you follow us for our Instagram. Our YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe so that you go to get the news as they drop, as they hot, you go to get them. So now, we want them. And again, we won't go to Eda's Corner Words of Wisdom. For inside Eda's Corner dictionary, which make we tell you now, say, now only time it could take, stammerer will pronounce Papa name. What you mean? Say, make you be patient. Whatever thing where God will give you, it will reach your hand. Now I would advise you. Una try. As una don't stay, they watch us since. We thank una. I beg, we won't offer our lantern. Mona no verse. Because since NEPA never bring light, make us save my kerosene.
Elders Corner. Elders Corner.
My people, now welcome to today's news. This na Elders Corner TV, and I me, Eda 101, want tell una the story. Before we go continue, make I tell una the headlamp first. Fake bank alert. All this fraudsters don't start new one. They don't start new one. Nowadays, they don't send fake bank alert to people where they sell, especially at Christmas don't reach. Make I tell you now how they do them. They go just walk out, enter shop for people where they sell rice, beans, and different things, computer, fridge. Come talk say they won't buy things. And if they want to do this fraud, then they make sure say they order for many things. They'll make sure say the money go reach like 250,000 and above. They will just the order, give me this one, give me that one, give me that one. When the seller can't calculate how much things where they don't buy, it could be like 500,000 naira. When you tell them the amount, they'll cut you say, oh, okay, no problem. I go transfer the money from my mobile app.
They'll constantly bring account number and your phone number. As you give them, you get one app where they don't put for their phone. That kind of app where they send wedding invitation, make people come. They get that for their phone. As they open the app, you get one place where the app, they can put sender. They can put bank name there. Maybe Oceanic Bank or UBA or First Bank or any bank. They'll put that there. Can't type the money, put the subject will be credit alert. They'll put the money, put your account number inside. They'll come send them. As you say, you can say, okay, I don't receive the money. You don't receive money. Now alert to receive. Now alert to receive. Not be credit alert to receive. Now text message that you receive, not be alert. Now text message they sent to you. See, make I tell you. As you open the text message where they sent to you, so will be like alert. You go see say now credit alert 500,000. If you look where balance logo dey inside, you know say na fake. Sometimes balance go dey inside, but it no go correct. So what will they try talk here? Say if anybody first of all come your shop where you know he come one buy things of 500,000 or 250,000 like that, suspect them first. If you say he won't pay you through alert, another suspicious behavior. If he don't pay you, check your own by yourself. Check your app. Check whether the money in your account. Before you go release anything, check your bank account whether money enter. Because all these boys now, they hide the red. Police catch some boys for Bini the other day. Now those boys come, they confess. They talk say, now like this we do, like that we do. This thing we don't the preacher. Make una no make mistake. Talk say, hey, money don't enter because you want say you no go confirm whether the money really dey account. They go just job you as they talk am. I beg, if you know they say anything, because this fraud not only for people where they say, now they feed one too. If you know they say and your brother they say, forward this video to them. Make you not allow these people hit them. If your friend they say, send her to them. Even if the enemy send her. This Christmas now time where people they happy. No talk say that your enemy, say you no go let her know. Share this video, make everybody see her, so that we go hit these people down before they go hit us down. This na Elders Corner TV. And na me, Elder 101, they talk this news. Before we go come out, we go Elders Dictionary. Fowl know how in yash wide reach before it dey swallow kernel. Wetin e mean be say you make you know as your money reach before you go begin to spend. Because this Christmas now, if you spend anyhow, school fees they wait for you for January. No behave anyhow. By January now, your children they look you they look them, they house because you know if you pay school fees. My people, now so our news reach today. Make una subscribe for our YouTube channel, Instagram, even Facebook fan page. In the bubble, make you make sure say you they contribute for there. Follow us on Twitter too. My people, thank you now for watching us. See you again next week.
Elders Corner. Elders Corner.
My people, una welcome to Elders Corner TV. Na me, Elder 101, na dey here. Today, na hearsay we want to talk about. All these boys when they go inside market, go to do engagement. Una matter don't enter our ear. Because you won't marry somebody, you go inside market. They give a ring. You go need that for inside market. Hey, baby, you go marry me? You go say yes. The mumu girl go say, like say no, they expect them. You go give a ring inside market. The first day, when I want to try marry now, na inside market for the presence of living and the dead, which is a wizard. No wonder marriage no dey last because na inside market when they start am. Wetin happen if you give her that ring for inside house? Wetin go happen? You no go take. If you go in house, you watch TV finish, you say, "Aya, take ring." You give him, you no go take. If you come your house, you give him the ring for your house, you no go take. So you go inside market first. We are not for read this thing. Say now inside market they do. So if you go just enter motor, boom. Now you don't go to Bahi market, go kneel down. The tell guy say you go marry me. You go say yes. Once market. And I can't go put am for Facebook. Hi. From day one, I go expose on our marriage. You see the problem? Now you make marriages no the last. We don't want for here. Mona stop all those nonsense. And first of all, we are not for even read and say if they want engaged person, the boy go kneel down. Tell me where for Sam. Man, we won't carry the problem of a girl. He won't carry your problem. Instead of the girl to kneel down for the engagement, now you go kneel down. Where I beg the people who never do them, make sure say that the girl kneel down. Because now I won't carry their problem. You won't carry papa problem, carry mama own, carry brother's own. You go kneel down, they beg and me give you problem. Now you go kneel down, say, oh yeah, I beg, I agree, take my problem. Now so it's supposed to be, make the women they kneel down. I don't know why men they kneel down when I send an engagement. And the girls, they go just say, will you marry me? You can say, I'm on the date since 4-6 years. Instead of it to slap him, tell us say, why you the delay? You can say, like say you not expect them. When I change all this pretense, what they do? More no let me verse. So for verse now, I will put off this lantern. I do it 4 years ago. Something happened. You ask what happen. Good luck, lose election. If you make me verse now, I go offer next year. Buhari will lose election. Man, I too the hate person. See, as all of them, they say make I even destroy the lantern. I no go offer. Make I wait the next year first. They no do well, I go offer. Now Eda 101, now be this. I beg, do not subscribe for our YouTube channel. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Just type Eda's Corner. You go see all of them for all this thing where they talk. For more videos, wanna see them. And now we're done. I don't they come out. Hit the here.
Elders Corner.